Lecture 3: Real Life Uses, from Student Projects to Business Reports. Now that you have got that foundational knowledge, let's talk about what really brings this tool to life: real world uses. Today, we're going to look at how dashboards are not just for analysts or companies. They are incredibly useful in your day-to-day academic life, in internships, and later on in actual workplaces. Whether you're creating a class project, working part-time, or preparing to enter a professional setting, dashboards give you a flexible, visual way to communicate results and make smart decisions. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify common scenarios where dashboards are used in student projects, understand how different industries apply Looker Studio in business settings, recognize how dashboards help simplify data for better decision making, think of ways you can use dashboards in your own academic or professional journey. Real life academic uses. Let's start right where you are as a student. You are probably used to working with spreadsheets when you do things like track assignment grades, analyze survey results, record attendance, or budgeting for events. Instead of presenting the information in a flat, confusing table, you can build a dashboard that shows average scores over time, breaks down responses by question or category, highlights budget usage with pie charts and trends. Example 1. Class survey project. Imagine you surveyed 50 students about their study habits. You could use Looker Studio to show most used study methods in a bar chart, filter responses by year or department, display average study hours on a scorecard. It's clear, interactive, and far easier to understand than paragraphs of explanation. Example 2. Student Club Dashboard. Let's say you are in charge of a student society. You could build a dashboard to track weekly attendance, budget spending, volunteer hours. Now you're not just organizing, you're reporting like a pro. Internship and entry-level job use. Once you move into an internship or a part-time role, dashboards become even more valuable. Let's say you are helping out in the marketing department. You might be asked to track website traffic, monitor social media growth, analyze email open rates. Using Looker Studio, you can connect to Google Analytics or Sheets and create a live dashboard that shows weekly traffic changes, most visited pages, engagement by post type. Instead of copying and pasting stats every week into a report, you will create a dashboard that updates automatically and is easy to share with your supervisor. Quick case: internship report example. A business student interning at a small startup built a dashboard to track daily sales and refunds using Google Sheets and Looker Studio. She shared a link with the founder, who then started checking it daily for quick insights. That simple dashboard saved time, reduced emails, and made her stand out. Industry and business applications. Now let's zoom out. Here is how different industries use dashboards in real settings. Education. Schools track enrollment, test scores, and dropout rates. Healthcare. Clinics monitor appointment volumes, patient satisfaction, or wait times. Retail. Stores track sales trends, top selling products, and stock levels. Non-profits. Organizations visualize donor data, campaign performance, and volunteer hours. In each case, dashboards allow people to see what's going on right now and act on it quickly. That's the true value, turning data into decisions. Why it matters for you? Knowing how to build dashboards shows that you can present complex information clearly. You understand how data supports action. You are thinking about the bigger picture, not just the numbers. Even if you're not planning to become a data analyst, this is a high value skill that puts you ahead in job applications, presentations, and team projects.